Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. Hope you had a chance to see our last episode where for the first time this season we made a dessert. It was cherry cream cheese pie, really delicious. And today, back to Italian style cooking, we'll be making chicken with wine and capers. I got this recipe from a friend, so this is the first time I'll be making it. Should be interesting to see how it turns out. Here's our ingredients: our chicken breast. We'll use our wine and capers, butter, chicken broth, flour, pepper, salt, and olive oil. So the first thing we'll do is season our chicken. We're going to put some flour in our plate over here. This is half a cup of flour, a little bit of salt, and then some black pepper to taste. The recipe I got didn't call for specific amounts, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it. So we'll mix this mixture in a little bit here. Put on a cooking glove. I like to use cooking gloves before I deal with chicken. And then we'll take one of our pieces and just roll it around in the flour. And that's ready. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of butter and some olive oil to our pan. So here's our 4 tablespoons of butter, and then we'll put a little bit of olive oil and get that on medium heat. Once the butter and oil is ready, then we'll take our chicken and put it in the pan here. And then we'll cook them for 6 to 8 minutes on both sides. Then after 6 minutes, you can see it's brown on this side, so we'll flip it over to the other side. After 6 minutes on each side, you can see it's looking pretty good, but over here you see this needs to be cooked a little more, so we'll put this down like this and do that for all 3 of them. And you can see it looks pretty good. We'll take them and put them on our plate. Next we'll get our pan ready with our wine, capers, and a lemon. So we'll do a full cup of red wine. You can even use white wine with this recipe, but I thought we'd go with red wine today, so that's half a cup. And here is the other half cup. Then we'll add our capers, 2 tablespoons. I diluted these already. And the last thing for this part, we'll add our half a cup of chicken broth and then bring that up to heat. Then we'll let this simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens, and then we'll add our lemon. Next we'll add 1 lemon here. I like to just kind of squeeze it in like this. And the other part too. Then we'll let this simmer for a few minutes before we add the chicken in. Then we'll add our chicken in here and let that cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we'll flip it onto the other side, and then we're almost done. Okay, after a few minutes, it's now done. We'll get some on a plate here. Smells really good. I can't wait to try this. Cut a piece here. Boy, that smells so good. Okay, let's take a taste here. So flavorful. Nice combination of the wine and the capers. Really delicious. Thanks so much to Mom for helping me today. She did a great job running the camera and helping with the recipe as always. I hope you get a chance to try the chicken with wine and capers. It's really delicious, and if you do, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Appreciate you watching, and hope you join us next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen for another Italian style recipe. Ciao.